New year, new updates. Today, we will explore some of the new and exciting features we introduced this month in SpreadsheetWeb Hub. Let's see what's new in January. Our first update is for private server users. We have simplified the login process by integrating with Okta. Now, you can log into SpreadsheetWeb using your existing company credentials, streamlining access and enhancing security. Moving to email functionality for Pro Workspace users, we have introduced the ability to customize SMTP settings. This feature is found on the Edit Workspace page, where you can specify your email server and the address that appears as the sender for your application's emails. To set up your SMTP settings, go to the Edit Workspace page and locate the Email Settings section. Here, you can input your SMTP server details and desired sender email. This allows for more tailored and professional-looking emails from your applications. There's another new feature on the data page for tracking user interactions. A column now displays users who have interacted with a data record, including their profile pictures. This helps you quickly identify who has been working with specific data. To do this, just click on the Settings button on top of the data table and add the Users column. For data visualizations, we have added new gauge types and styles. These are designed to integrate seamlessly with your Excel data, offering clear and effective ways to present your data visually. And this concludes our overview of SpreadsheetWeb's January updates. For a detailed list of all updates, you can easily go to our website and click on Build Notes. Join SpreadsheetWeb to simplify your work.